issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Walton County in north central Georgia until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hernanville and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monroe, Social Circle, Hernanville, and Razor and Pebble. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Significant weather advisory for Southwest.